Hey everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM. I'd like to go through some exciting new functionality purchase orders that will be released in just in a couple weeks. This is an informal video, so just kind of bear with me. I'm going to take you through end to end using creating a purchase order and then updating the inventory and kind of seeing how it reflects in the order bomb. So let's get started with the catalog. This is a catalog, the skateboard catalog, which comes with every account. You can add it to your own account if you wish by going to Help, Getting Started, Add Demo Data, and the skateboard bomb and catalog will be added to your account. So for now, let's take a look at my skateboard catalog. I got some grip tape. I've defined a lot of information as we do in catalogs, and I currently have 5 feet of it on hand. So as you can imagine, I'm creating a bill of material for a skateboard, and there's a number of things in my BOM. I'm looking at the BOM now, my BOM bill of material, and I use 2.5 feet of grip tape per board. So that's good to know. I've got my BOM is done, and I've just received an order from the Malibu Surf Company for 10 boards. So let's see how we're doing on inventory. Again, I'm going to use the grip tape as an example. We could use many other items, and it could all be included in this analysis, but we're going to use one for simplification. So let's create an order bomb for the Malibu Surf Company. And you can see I've ran some other orders here. I'm going to add a new batch, and we're going to call this Malibu Surf Company 10. It's going to be the name of our batch. So we've created what's called an order bomb. Now we had a catalog, a BOM, and we've now moved on to the order BOM. The order BOM has been scaled, the quantities have been scaled for the amount of units in our order. So as we use 2.5 feet on every board, if I'm ordering 10 boards, I would expect to see demand or quantity required 25, which is correct. Now we know we have 5 feet on hand, so we've got a quantity gap of 20. So that means we need to place a purchase order for at least 20 feet of tape. So to do that, we assign a vendor list to our order BOM. Vendor lists are like catalogs. We'll cover it in more detail in another video on how to create those. But I've created a list of vendors that my company uses, and I'm going to get this tape from the Oldcastle Adhesive Company. Okay. Let's go ahead and create a purchase order. I click the button, I get a notice that my purchase order has been created, and I look in my purchase order area of my dashboard, and I'll see there's my Oldcastle PO. So let's open that. So we've gone from catalog to BOM, order BOM, purchase order. And this purchase order is for the adhesive. And we see that we have 5 feet on hand. We've got a quantity gap of 20. So you think of this as a kind of a purchase order database. Let's output this in a way that looks like a purchase order. So we are going to need vendor and part number and thumbnail image. We want quantity gap, and we probably want cost and description. And let's output this as a PDF, and let's create a purchase order. Here we go. OpenBOM has created a purchase order to Oldcastle Adhesives for this part, that picture, at that cost, and we need 20 feet. Okay, I can send that right off to my vendor, or my purchasing department can make use of this. So that's something that's really neat. But let's circle back now. So we knew we had. What did we have? We had 5 feet in stock. And so tape probably comes in a 100-foot roll. So that roll of grip tape comes in. My receiving person updates this inventory on hand to 105. Okay, and we now see that we've got 105 feet on hand. If we go take a look at our bill of material, and we're just going to kind of pass through here, but we're going to take a look at the info panel here for that. We're going to see that, yeah, that tape now has 105 feet on hand. And then finally, of course, let's take a look at the order BOM. and watch this value here for quantity on hand and quantity gap. As we update this order bomb, we're going to take a look at our inventory. See, we've got 105 on hand, and we now have a 0 quantity gap. So to summarize, what we've done is create a catalog with some information in it and a quantity on hand column. This is very important. So spelling and everything here needs to be, you need to use that property, quantity on hand. We've used that item in our bill of material. We have created an order bomb. Within that order bomb, we defined a vendor right here, and we did that by attaching a vendor list to our order bomb. We created a purchase order, and in the end, we exported that purchase order so that we can send it to our vendor. So thanks for listening. There'll be a lot more information on this coming out, and I appreciate your feedback. Thanks.